Okay, baby. What's up? What's up? What's up? We're going to be doing strength conditioning, right? You need to have your dumbbells. If you don't have your dumbbells, grab your dumbbells because we are going to get to work. Now, keep in mind, you're going to also need to have your water because this is not going to be an easy exercise program. It's not going to be simple, so don't think it's going to be simple. You're going to sweat, okay? Let's get this party started, babe. Oh, yes. All right, first move. Arms are going to go out, and we are here. Come on, look at my legs. I'm lifting the heels off the ground. Every time the arms comes together, the heels are raising up. Keep your stomach nice and tight. Now, once again, don't forget, move at your pace, okay? I always tell people, make the workout your own. Don't tell me you can't. Tell me that you can. Find a way to do the motion. If you find that something is going to hurt you too much, then do something completely different and then get back to something else when we go to the next exercise, all right? Come on, we got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, arms to the side and up. 1, up, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go, you got it. So every time I go up to the front, to the top, I'm bringing the left over the right, and then I do it again, and then I put the right over the left. So I'm always alternating the arms. You got it? Whew, let's go. Now, I've been working out all morning. Right now, I took my pre-workout, so I'm a little amped right now. I just finished doing a full workout with my buddy Steve, and here I am working out with you now. No excuses for me, man. I got vision, I have goals, I have things to accomplish when it comes to the body, baby. Come on. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's right. Good. Let's take the left leg, lift the left leg up, bring it out and bring it in. That's 1. And up to the right and in. That's 2. Now, I'm not touching the back of that chair. 3, 4. Give me what you can. 5. There it is. You got this. 6. Find your intensity, though. You got to tap into your intensity. 7. Come on. Feel your mind connecting to that body. 8. 9. 10. Keep it up. 1. 2. 3. Let those muscles work. Let it work. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Oh, that feels good. Come on. 9. And 10. Oh, yeah. Grab those dumbbells. Let's get to some arm curls. Chest is up. We're going to do the curl and lift the heels. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. You got it. Keep that pace up. Now, I'm doing 2 things here with the arms. When I curl up, I'm focusing on squeezing the bicep, right? That's the front of the arms. And then when I go down, I'm using tension to flex the back of the arms, which is the tricep. So I'm getting that double work. There it is. Come on. Now, pull your stomach tighter. I know your stomach is not tight the way it needs to be. Make those abdominals nice and tight. Put a smile on your face and let's go to work. Come on, baby. Let's go. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Big, strong breaths. Come on. You can do this. You can do this. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, here we go. Start from here. We're going to cut through the legs and bring it back up and go to the other side. I already started, so catch up. Yep. Now, when I lean forward, I'm keeping my back flat. I'm not rounding my back out, okay? If you have heavier dumbbells, you can go slower. If you feel like this is too easy for you, pick up the heavier weights. Big, strong breaths in, strong breaths out. See, this is the reason why I recommend for people to have dumbbells, resistance bands, and kettlebells, because you're not going to be able to do this one with resistance bands, right? You're not going to be able to do this one. So there are things that you will need to use specific equipment for, and having the best of all the worlds is the key. Come on. Now, when I'm kicking back, don't forget, you're working the back of those arms. You're firing up those tricep muscles. The triceps is the back of the arms. 3 muscles, that's why it's called triceps. And the front of the arms is your biceps. So when I curl up here, that's the biceps. When I kick back there, that's the triceps. Come on, we got 5, 4, keep it going. Woo! 3, put a smile on your face, baby, let it burn. 2, and 1, nice. Now we're gonna work on the front raise and opening up to the side. So we're gonna go up and back, in and down. Up, elbow back, in and down. When you're pulling back, squeeze the shoulder blades together, baby. Squeeze it. Whew. Breathe, 2. You got this. Stay powerful into your position. Stand your grounds. Remember, fitness is your best weapon, man. Being fit, being strong is your best weapon against anything in the world. Let's go. Disease cannot live in a fit body. It cannot. I'm telling you, it cannot. And I'm not talking about just the way you look. I'm talking about internal health as well. Woo! Ho, 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 this burns. Ah! I'm not going to give up, though. We have 5 more. That's 1. 2. Boom. 3. Get stronger, not weaker. 4. Come on. Oh, and 5. That's what I'm talking about. You're doing so good, though. All right, so look. Arms are going to go up, and we're going to bring the knee here. 1 and 2. 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's go. Up and across. 1, 2. Let's get it. You could have fun kind of playing around with where you want to start. You can go left and right and left. Mix it up. Oh, this hurts already. Woo. I want you to fight through this, though. Fight through it. If you want those results, trust me, it's not going to come by being easy. I almost messed up my flow. It's your fault. There it is. Woo. Oh, this is getting heavy. Oh, if it gets too heavy, guess what? Put it down and do the same thing. I can't even tell the difference. I feel like I still have the weights in my hands. Woo. But remember, I just did my workout. I did 3 workouts already for the day. This is my 4th, and this is probably your 1st. So keep your weights in your hands and stop playing games. Stop playing around. Come on. Boom. 2 more. 1 more. Boom. Oh, yeah. Wow. That burns, that burns, that burns. Take a little break. Drink a little water. That's why we have it here. We don't have the water here just to be pretty. We have the water to drink. All right. Let's go to those outer thighs, right? Getting that leg out. Hold on to the chair like this, or if you can get something that's going to hold you up, wherever you feel comfortable, okay? Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, and we are lifting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Land lighter than that. 5. Don't be smacking your legs down. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm crying. I'm always crying. All right, let's go. We got the next side. We're going 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that felt good. Okay, let's finish off with legs in, legs out. Let's do that 50 times. How about that? Ready? Arms here. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm saying a prayer. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Stomach tight. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Legs wider. 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 10. You got this. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I'm sweating up a storm right now, and I feel so good. I tell people all the time, listen, stop thinking that chair workouts is a game. I can't speak for any other trainers out there. I can't speak for any other chair workout coaches out there, okay? But I keep on telling you, chair workouts, Donovan Green, is not a game. I'm giving you the workouts that's going to challenge you and make you recognize that even with your injuries, you can still have a good time. You can still feel good. You can still work up a sweat without having to do all the hardcore running and jumping and stuff like that that's going to damage your body anyway, okay? So keep on pushing. Stay consistent with your nutrition. If you're not eating right, then you're wasting your time. You have to eat your food properly. Put yourself in a calorie deficit. Stop eating to a calorie surplus and do more cardio. Do a bunch of these workouts. Focus on just being a part of the program. Please, I'm asking you all. I'm not seeing enough of you signing up. Get on over to cheerworkouts.com right now and support your boy. Support it. $14.99 every month. You're paying so much money for things that's not even valuable. I'm giving you thousands of dollars worth of information. No, millions of dollars worth of information. So get over there, support, because I'm telling you, when I feel like I'm struggling too much, which I'm almost getting there, my spirit begins to say, oh no. And you know what? I need your support. I keep on asking y'all, I need your support. Listen, these doors, no customers, means no business, means can't pay the rent, means can't pay the video guys, mean I can't pay for nothing. So your support is going to show me that you definitely want to keep this thing going. All right, let's go. Donovan Green, chairworkouts.com, telling you I love you so much. And remember, your body is just a body until you make it a temple, baby. I'll see you later. And don't forget, subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Peace.